Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with the December Curated bead box. It's called Treasure Chest this month. Looking forward to seeing what's in here. Our Curated bead box includes everything on the list. You can grab the items from their sister store, dollarbead.com, and use these codes if you wanted to buy something extra from it. And then they also have a finding starter kit in each box, which includes like crimps, elastics, stuff like that. If you're interested in subscribing, you can get 35% off your first box by using coupon code TURQST35 at curatedbeadbox.com. I have a new phone, so I'm still learning like this phone. It's very different from my last one. My last one was old, so and it finally just said you need to get a new phone or else. And so I listened. The first thing we have is this 10mm latte glass pearl bead string, 8 inches. It's pretty. Next we have 10mm silver crackle glass bead, 8 inches. Very pretty. You know I love crackle beads. Okay, so this one is 10mm rust gray duo style glass beads, 6-inch string. We have 6mm champagne round crackle glass bead, 16-inch string. 6mm latte jade style glass bead, 16-inch string. Approximately 1 ounce cafe au lait designer glass bead mix. So it's got a lot of browns and golds in here. Some coated beads, some pearls, some crackle glass. And then approximately 1 ounce sparkle and shine designer glass bead mix. This one's more silver and gray. So we've got some crystals, some like faux druzy beads, some glass. This one's really pretty, this purple and gray one. Cute little mix. 14 by 8mm silver luster faceted bicone glass bead, 8 beads. Very beautiful. Those are gorgeous. Those are, I think, the one that I just pointed out in the mix, but we get specific 8 beads. 4mm gold iron bead, approximately 200 beads. It's a nice gold spacer bead, very bright gold. They're not really the macaroni and cheese yellow, but they're close. 8mm silver brass spacer bead, approximately 20 beads. 24mm silver metal wine glass hoops, 6 hoops. So these are like wine charm hoops. I guess you could use them for earrings. I've seen people use them as earring findings. So cute. 20 by 30mm Hamsa silver metal charm, 8 charms. So cute little hand charms. Hamsa charms. Oh, they're different. Oh, they're all different. Okay, so we've got like a thinner one. We've got this style. And then we've got this style. Very interesting. I dropped one on the floor. And then 8mm gold metal square spacer bead, approximately 10 beads. These are cool. I don't have anything that looks like that. 8mm silver metal square spacer beads, approximately 12 beads. Same style, just in silver. We have a silver findings kit this month. And then we also have some 1mm silver necklace memory wire, 10 spirals, which is really awesome because I love memory wire, and necklace memory wire is pretty fun to play with. So I'm going to come up with something and we'll make a project. Okay, so I'm going to be using these Hamsa charms. I actually got out a pendant that matches from my stash and a couple larger charms. I'm going to open up my charms. I think I was like zoomed in. I think that's why the beginning of this video looks weird. I'm sorry, I'm still learning the camera. Don't be mad. Cut 2 loops out of the necklace memory wire using my memory wire snips. Make sure you use that if you're going to be cutting memory wire. So sorry, this video kind of seems like I'm a newbie, even though I have over 800 videos on this channel. Oh, it's silly. It's silly. Okay, so and I also got out some seed beads from my stash. I'm just going to put these like in a little dish next to me. I'm also not using a microphone for this video because my microphone that worked with my other phone does not work with my new phone. So I'm sorry if the sound is off. I won't know until I'm editing the video. I'm going to use these, and some of the beads from this mix. I don't know if I'm going to get beads out of my stash or what. We'll see. I think we're just going to wing it. Somebody commented on one of my older videos the other day, like, oh, you're so disorganized. You need to have a whole plan. I'm like, oh, okay, we've already talked about this. You must be new here. We don't go in with a plan. And that video was like over probably almost 2 years old. I'm like, okay. Can't please everybody. I just deleted the comment because I was like, I don't need this stress. I do this for free, guys. I do it for free. These videos are free. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start with this guy, I think. Grab my pliers. And a jump ring. Put on my pendant. You can use a bail if you want to. Sorry, this is wild. Like, I have a new tripod too, but it's somewhere in a box in my garage, I think. So we're working it out. I'm sorry, it's such a mess today. All right, so I'm gonna go through my pendants. I'm gonna progressively get smaller as I move up the necklace. So we have this one that came out of my stash, okay? And then these 3 other sizes that are in the kit. All right. And I'll put jump rings on each one of those in just a minute, but I'm going to put on my pendant. Okay, and then I am going to put on just a couple of these seed beads on either side of that pendant. So I'm just going to do one side for now, and then I'm going to put on a bead, seed bead, bead, seed bead, and then I'll put on my next pendant. All right, and then I will put on my next seed bead. And then I'm just going to keep going. I think for right now, I'm just going to use the crackle glass at the front, and then I might put some of these other beads towards the back to be filler beads. I'm just going to do that pattern of these hamsas going up until I run out of beads. Okay, so here is the necklace. I used all of the 10 millimeter crackle beads, the 2 druzies that were in the box, and all of those crystals that were those 8 crystals. I did end up swapping out one of the hamsas that came in the box because there was only one of that other version, this one. And then there was a second or third one of these, so I wanted it to be symmetrical, and I didn't really have anything that was perfect for this. I had something that was very similar to this, and I didn't want another one of those, so I grabbed this. It's not really a hamsa, but it's a little hand, and put that on both sides. I am going to take my pliers, and I'm going to do a double loop here to finish off one side, and I'm just going to use a toggle to close up the back of my necklace, and then I'm just going to do a double loop here. So take my pliers and roll until we have 2 loops. Okay, just like that. I'll scooch everything down, and then I'm going to snip off my extra wire here. And then I'm just going to do the exact same thing on the other side. And I'm not going to do everything too tight. I think this is too long. We're going to snip off some of that wire there. Not going to do it too tight. It's kind of the same principle as a strung necklace, loosey-goosey, but not too loose, but not too tight, because if you end up having too much tension, some of your beads are going to crack, the necklace won't lay correctly, and look, I used way too much, but I'm just going to keep going. I'm just going to make 3 loops instead of cutting again. All right, and then that's going to hold everything in place. And then I'm going to put on toggle using some jump rings, that right here. Close that up. With our triple loop. All right, we'll close that up. And here is our statement necklace. I think it's so much fun. I'm going to show you, of course, on Lucy. But let me know what you think. If you're interested in the curated bead box, check out the link in the description below. Check the link below. Thank you to Curated Bead Box. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry for the hiccups. It'll get better. New equipment is always fun, but also kind of stressful. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you want to subscribe, you can save 35% off of your first box by using coupon code TURQST35 at curatedbeadbox.com. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Stay tuned for Goldie. Bye-bye. Hi, cutie. Hi, is that the baby? Hi. You sleeping? Yeah. You're so cute. You're so cute. Hi. Look at that tail. Look at that tail.